Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Android how to fix app not installed. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Some of the common causes can be incompatible app version or Android OS, corrupted APK file or conflicts with existing app, and insufficient storage space and disabled app installation from unknown sources. To fix this issue, what you can do is check your Android version compatibility. Make sure your app supports your Android version. Update your Android OS if possible by simply going to the settings, then selecting about phone and system update. Then next is to enable unknown sources for APKs by simply heading over and going to the settings, selecting apps and special app access, and then you find an option that says install unknown apps. Simply toggle it on. Allow the app to install APKs. You can also clear storage space by simply deleting unused apps or files to free up space, and check storage on the settings and then select setting storage and select clear cache or clear data. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.